Shamsundar 1997 Enterprises Inc. presents Bob the Builder burps in Farmer Pickle's face/grounded. And was inspired by Mortal Kombat fan 188. Hi, I'm Bob the Builder, and today, I'm going to burp in Farmer Pickle's face. Ha 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 ha. Bob the Builder, what are you doing? You're supposed to be grounded. Bob the Builder, I can't believe you burped in my face. That's it, you're grounded for 45 months. Go to your room right now. Wow.